What if I told you that regular people are quietly using AI to make thousands of dollars every month, without quitting their jobs? No, this is not about fake gurus selling dreams. These are real AI side hustles people are using in 2026 to earn extra income. Some need zero experience, and one of them can even be started with just a laptop. But here's the catch: most people choose the wrong one and waste months. So in this video, I'll show you 7 AI side hustles that are actually working, and which one beginners should start first. First up, AI faceless YouTube channels. And yes, people are making serious money without ever showing their face. AI tools can help write scripts, generate voiceovers, edit videos, and even create thumbnails. Popular niches include finance, history, motivation, celebrity stories, and facts channels. Here's the interesting part. One successful video can keep making money for years through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. But don't expect overnight success. Most channels fail because people quit too early. Second, AI short-form content agencies. Businesses desperately need TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, but most business owners don't know how to make them. With AI editing tools, captions, and auto-clipping software, one person can produce content for multiple clients. Some freelancers charge hundreds, even thousands per client every month. Third is one of the most underrated methods: AI digital products. People are selling budgeting templates, ebooks, planners, productivity kits, prompts, and financial trackers. The best part: you create it once, and sell it over and over again. That means passive income, at least in theory. Fourth, AI video editing. Thousands of creators want editors. And AI now speeds up editing by automatically adding captions, cutting mistakes, removing silence, and creating highlights. If you become fast and reliable, creators will gladly pay. Number 5 sounds boring, but it makes money. Job seekers in America spend hundreds to improve resumes and LinkedIn profiles. With AI helping research industries and optimize resumes, this can become a profitable service. One good resume can literally help someone land a better paying job. Sixth, AI print on demand. People use AI-generated art to design t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases. The crazy part: no inventory. Products only get printed when someone buys. But remember, good design matters. And finally, UGC content. Brands need ads constantly. People create short ad videos for products using AI-assisted scripts, editing, and voice tools. Even small businesses are paying creators to make content that looks authentic. And this industry is growing very fast. So, which AI side hustle should beginners start with? If you're completely new, start with AI short-form editing or faceless YouTube. Low cost, high demand. But remember this: AI won't make you rich overnight. The people making real money are the ones who stay consistent. Which side hustle would you try first? Comment below, and subscribe for more smart money ideas.